Okay, hello. Please let me introduce myself. My name is Taras, surname Tatarchuk. I am 33 years old and I was born in Ukraine in Ivano-Frankivsk region, city of Tismanice. I graduated from higher school there in 2007. After that, I entered the university in 2007 to same year as a manager in the specialty of information system in management. I graduated university in 2013 year. But I don't like this professional and I decided to work on construction. Accordingly, in 2016, I went to Poland and I went to Poland to work as an assistant in construction of high-rise buildings. My duties included helping to install formwork on concrete, as well laying load-bearing walls. Later, as a result of good work and internship, I already worked as a master. As a result of working in construction, I decided to go to study a tower crane operator because I really like this job, construction. In 2017, on August 31, I received a tower crane operations license. Accordingly, having completed the practice, I went to work as a crane operator from March 1, 2018 year. My qualification and requirements: conduction crane equipment inspection, work cohesively with the cranes on site to safely lift materials in and out of place. A great work ethic with ability to learn quickly, ability to work outdoors and another stage, follow safety protocols, keep accurate records from maintenance logs, and communication and teamwork skills. Commitment to safety rules and SAR forms safety culture. And also, I have valid class 5 drive license and and the ability to get to the project site. Maybe that's all. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.